Hello students, welcome to SmartKidz tutorials. In this video, we'll be learning to construct a pair of tangents from an external point to a circle. So we have been constructing triangles. Now we will construct circles with tangents. Okay, and from exercise 11.2. So the first question says that we need to draw a circle of radius 6 centimeters from a point 10 centimeter away from its center. We need to construct a pair of tangents to the circle and measure their lengths. First, what we'll do is we'll construct a circle of radius 6 centimeters. Okay, so I'll just measure 6 centimeters first. So it will be a big circle, because it says the radius is 6 centimeters, so that means the diameter will be 12 centimeters. Okay, so I have measured 6 centimeters. I'll take a point. Let's see if it is okay to draw like this. Yeah, that should be fine. We'll draw a circle which is having a radius of 6 centimeters. That's it. So we have constructed a circle having a radius of 6 centimeters. So I'll mark this point as its center, and from the center it says we need to from point 10 centimeters away from the center. Okay, so we need to draw a line which is 10 centimeters away from the center. So that's it. And now what I'll do is we need to construct a perpendicular bisector to this particular line. Before that, I'll just mark the center as O and I'll mark this point as P. Okay, an external point. Now we'll construct a perpendicular bisector. For a perpendicular bisector, to learn how to construct a perpendicular bisector, there's a link in the description box below. There you go. And one will be below this. It's taking the same measurement here, and then we'll use the same length in order to cut this arcs from P this way. And now where the two arcs intersect, I'll mark those points and draw a line passing through those points. I should get a perpendicular bisector. There you go. Okay, that's your perpendicular bisector. I'll mark this point as M. Just sharpen this line. Okay. The next thing to do is I'll take M as the center and OM will be our radius, or we can even take MP as our radius. It comes to the same. I'm taking MP or OM as the radius. We'll have to construct a triangle. Okay, let's construct a triangle here. There you go. I've constructed another circle. Okay, now where these two circles intersect, that is over here, I mark these points. Okay, mark them. The next step is to join this point to P, and join this point as well to P. There you go. This way we get two tangents out here, and we mark this as R, and this one we mark as T. So we've drawn two tangents here, PR and PQ, and what we'll do is we'll draw a dotted line from R to Q, sorry, O. This is actually the radius of the big circle, and as we know, this is 6 centimeters. Okay, we know this entire length is 10 centimeters, so this has to be 8 centimeters if we apply the Pythagoras theorem, but we need to measure and see how much exactly is it. Is coming 8 centimeters, less than that, more than that, let's see. Okay, so it's coming exactly 8 centimeters here. PR is 8 centimeters, and this can be proved even with using the Pythagoras theorem, because we know that in case of a triangle that is inscribed within a semicircle, this becomes a semicircle, right? This is the diameter OP of this circle, and this triangle is drawn or constructed within this particular semicircle. So the angle that is forming out here becomes 90 degrees. Okay, and the side opposite to 90 degrees becomes the hypotenuse. So if OP square should be equal to the sum of PR square plus OR square, and if you want to find out PR square, so we keep PR square here, and this will become equal to OP square minus OR square, and OP is we know is given to us as 10 centimeters, so 10 square minus OR, which is the radius, is given to us as 6 centimeters. It comes to 100 minus 36, and that is for PR PR square here, and that means PR square will be equal to 64, which means PR will be equal to 8 centimeters, just what we have got via measurement as well. Okay, so this is how we construct tangents, and if you like watching this video, please hit the like button, share it with your friends and classmates. Please subscribe to the channel, and do not forget to click on the bell icon to receive updates. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.